Hi, let's get started with the Vulnhub Machine Earth. Let's quickly find out the IP address of this machine. So the IP address of this machine is 10.0.2.21. Now let's quickly do an nmap scan. As you can see, we have three ports open: port number 22, 80, and 443. Also, we can see that we have DNS earth.local, terratest.earth.local. So let's quickly add that to /etc/host. So we have two things: earth.local and we have terratest.earth.local. Let's now quickly go to the Firefox and let's type earth.local. If we go to the page source, we don't see much, so let's quickly do a GoBuster scan. And we'll use the word list common.txt. So we can see that we have folder called /admin. We also have CGI bin. Let's quickly go to /admin. So we got another page, /admin/login. So we need a username and a password here. Let's also check the other URL, that was terratest.earth.local. So this is a test site, please ignore. What we can do is let's also run a GoBuster scan on this one. And we are again going to use the common .txt. So we have few interesting things. We have robots.txt, so let's quickly take a look at that. So we have an interesting file, testing notes. Let's open this. So we have message. So we have another file, testdata.txt. We have username Terra. So I think through this file we can get the password. So let's quickly take a look at it again. Okay, so what we can do now is we can go to CyberChef. So if we go down, we have this message as well. So we're going to use this and the test file. So let's search hex from so we can add the key file here, and we'll select and let's just copy this message. Let's paste it here. Okay, so as you can see, few things are being repeated here. So Earth climate change for bad for humans. Okay, so we can use this. Let's quickly add this. So we can log in here, and now let's try to run some commands here. So let's go to war folder. So we also have one directory, earth_web. Let's quickly take a look at it. So I think this is a Django web-based application. So we have this manage.py. Let's quickly take a look at the user flag. So this is our user flag. Let's what we can do is we can take a reverse shell connection. So let's try doing that. So we can open a port, do netcat, can listen to the port 4444, and let's try doing that. So the IP address of this Kali machine is 10.0.2.19, and we are going to listen. We are listening on port 4444. So we're not able to establish a connection here. So what we can do is we can try a different approach. So we can convert all of this into base 64. And now let's use this. And let's see if we can get a connection this time. Okay, so we are able to establish a connection. So from this host, let's get a shell. So we got some interesting file here. So reset root, so we're going to use that. So let's try running this. So it gives us a message that checking if reset triggers are present, a reset fail, or triggers are not present. So let's copy this reset root file to our Kali machine and let's take a look at it. So what we can do is let's listen to to our Kali machine again. So if we go back here, I think we got the file. So let's quickly change the permissions of this file. And let's run an ltrace. So what we can do here is we can create these files on the machine. So let's quickly do it one by one. So we just have to create those files. So we are going to use touch command. So now if we run this file again, I think it should work. So so we can now use earth as the root password. And if we do an ls, we get the root flag. So this is our root flag. Thanks for watching.